مرحبا بكم في قناة التحدث التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
9. Beauty is only skin deep. 9. Speaking. What is beauty?
Beauty is subjective and can be interpreted in many different ways. Generally speaking, beauty is something that brings joy, pleasure, and admiration to the beholder.
Think about and compare inner and outer beauty.
Inner beauty is more important than outer beauty because it is what defines us as people. It is the beauty of our soul, our integrity, our personality, and our values that truly matter. Outer beauty is only skin deep and can be fleeting.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of each?
The advantages of inner beauty are that it is long-lasting, it can be shared with others, and it is something that people can appreciate and admire. The disadvantages of inner beauty are that it is hard to measure and can be difficult to see. The advantages of outer beauty are that it is easy to see, and it can be a form of self-expression. The disadvantages of outer beauty are that it can be fleeting and it can be superficial.
Do you have inner or outer beauty?
I have a bit of both inner and outer beauty. I believe that it is important to have both in order to be successful in life.
You are a smart man.
Thank you. I appreciate your kind words.
10. They said, we said. 9. Speaking. If you heard harmful gossip about someone you know, would you do anything to stop it? Why? Why not?
Yes, I would do something to stop it. I believe it is important to take a stand against harmful gossip and protect those we care about. Gossip can have a serious impact on someone's reputation and can be extremely hurtful. It is never okay to spread rumors or say negative or damaging things about someone else.
Think about the harm that can be done through spreading rumors and how you can stop them.
Absolutely. When I hear harmful gossip about someone, I try to stop it immediately. I tell the person who is spreading the gossip that it is wrong and ask them to stop. I also try to talk to the person affected by the gossip to provide them with support and reassurance. Additionally, I try to remind everyone that it is important to think about the words we use and the impact they can have on others.
Give examples of rumors.
Examples of rumors include false stories about someone's identity, background, or behavior. For example, a rumor could be spread about someone's financial situation, relationship status, or even their physical appearance.
What are the consequences or harm that follows?
The consequences of spreading rumors can be very serious. It can cause someone to be socially isolated or even lead to bullying and harassment. It can also cause a great deal of emotional distress and can have a lasting impact on someone's reputation.
If someone told you a rumor about your friend, what would you do?
If someone told me a rumor about my friend, I would not partake in the gossip and would instead try to stop it. I would talk to the person spreading the rumor and explain why it is wrong to do so. I would also reach out to my friend and offer them support.
11. Express yourself. 9. Speaking. What are the languages that your family and relatives can speak?
My family and relatives can speak Arabic, English, and French.
Decide which languages you prefer and why.
I prefer English because it is the most widely spoken language in the world, and it allows me to communicate more effectively with people from different cultures and backgrounds.
What about the people who use it?
People who use English can communicate across international borders, which makes it a very useful language for business and travel. It is also a popular language in education and the media, which makes it a great choice for those looking to stay informed and up to date on world events.
What about the reason it is used?
English is used for a variety of reasons, from business to international relations. It is a common language for international trade, communication, and diplomacy, and is used in many countries as a lingua franca. It is also used for education, science, technology, and the media.
How about how easy or difficult it is?
English is considered to be relatively easy to learn compared to other languages, and it has a fairly simple grammar structure. It also has a large vocabulary, which can make it easier for people to express themselves.
Which language would you like to learn well?
I would like to learn French well, as I think it would be a great opportunity to learn about a different culture and expand my knowledge of the world.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to the challenge.
12. Lost and found. 9. Speaking. Do you know any historical place in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, I do. I am familiar with many historical places in Saudi Arabia. Some of the most popular ones are Al-Masjid an-Nabawi in Medina, Al-Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, and Al-Masjid al-Qiblatain in Medina.
What about traditional historical places?
Of course, there are many traditional historical places in Saudi Arabia. Some of the most popular ones are the old city of Diriyah, the old city of Jeddah, and the old city of Riyadh.
What about ancient historical places?
Yes, there are many ancient historical places in Saudi Arabia. Some popular ones include the ruins of Madain Saleh, the ruins of El Hijr, and the ruins of Al Uqdud.
Think about what you might find there.
At these ancient historical places, you might find ruins of buildings, sculptures, pottery, and other artifacts. You might also find inscriptions or carvings that reveal information about the past.
What would you do if you discovered a treasure there?
If I discovered a treasure at any of these historical sites, I would report it to the proper authorities. I would also ensure that the treasure is properly preserved and protected for future generations.
What would you do if you knew it was valuable?
If I knew that a treasure I discovered was valuable, I would ensure that it is properly documented and preserved. I would also make sure that it is made available to the public for research and study.
You seem to do the right thing all the time.
Thank you for the kind words. I always strive to do the right thing and to make a positive difference in the world.
My students are graduating from high school this year. What advice would you give them?
Congratulations to your students on their graduation. My advice to them would be to never stop learning. Education is a lifelong journey, and it is important to always be open to new ideas and perspectives. It is also important to take risks and try new things, as it can help you grow and discover new interests.
Say goodbye to them.
Goodbye to your students. I wish them all the best in their future endeavors.
Thanks for your kind words.
You're welcome.